Have you ever felt like you're watching a train leave the station, and you're not even sure where it's going, let alone how to buy a ticket? That train, in this case, might just be the modern business world, and the ticket? Well, that might be NetSuite. Now, the real question is that ticket worth the price? Is learning NetSuite, diving into its complex ecosystem, a worthwhile investment of your time and energy? Because let's be honest, it's not a weekend hobby. It's a commitment. Think about it. We live in a world where data is king. Businesses, big and small, are drowning in information trying to make sense of it all. They need systems that can streamline operations, automate processes, and provide real-time insights. That's where NetSuite comes in. It's not just a software. It's a comprehensive cloud-based business management solution that handles everything from financials and inventory to CRM and e-commerce. It's the backbone of many successful companies, and that's why it's sparking so much interest. But here's the rub. Learning NetSuite isn't exactly a walk in the park. It's a powerful tool, but it's also complex. You're not just clicking buttons, you're understanding intricate workflows, configuring sophisticated modules, and potentially managing entire business processes. So, is it worth the effort? Is it worth the time, the potential frustration, and the learning curve? To answer that, let's break it down. Let's look at the why behind learning NetSuite. First and foremost, let's talk about career opportunities. NetSuite professionals are in high demand. Companies are constantly looking for individuals who can implement, manage, and optimize their NetSuite systems. This means job security, career advancement, and potentially a higher salary. Think about the roles that open up: NetSuite administrator, consultant, developer, functional analyst, project manager. These aren't just titles. They're gateways to diverse and rewarding careers. You could be working with cutting-edge technology, helping businesses transform their operations, and playing a crucial role in their success. And it's not just about big corporations. Small and medium-sized businesses are also adopting NetSuite at an increasing rate. They need experts who can help them leverage the platform to scale and grow. This creates opportunities for freelancers, consultants, and even entrepreneurs who want to build their own NetSuite-focused businesses. Now, let's talk about the skills you'll gain. Learning NetSuite isn't just about mastering a software. It's about developing a deep understanding of business processes. You'll learn how to analyze requirements, design solutions, and implement best practices. You'll become a valuable asset to any organization, regardless of whether they use NetSuite or not. You'll also develop technical skills, especially if you delve into customization and development. You'll learn how to use SuiteScript, NetSuite's JavaScript-based development platform, to extend the functionality of the system. This opens up opportunities for software development, integration, and automation. But beyond the technical and professional benefits, learning NetSuite can also be personally rewarding. You'll gain a sense of accomplishment from mastering a complex system. You'll develop problem-solving skills, analytical thinking, and the ability to adapt to change. You'll become a lifelong learner, constantly seeking new knowledge and skills. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the challenges. Learning NetSuite isn't easy. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. The learning curve can be steep, especially if you're new to enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. You'll need to invest time in training, practice, and potentially certification. There are numerous resources available, including online courses, training programs, and community forums. But it's up to you to take advantage of these resources and put in the work. You might encounter technical difficulties, configuration challenges, and even resistance from users. But these challenges are also opportunities to learn and grow. They'll push you to think critically, find creative solutions, and develop your problem-solving skills. So, how do you navigate these challenges? First, start with a solid foundation. Take a structured training course that covers the core modules of NetSuite. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on the areas that are most relevant to your career goals. Second, practice, practice, practice. Get hands-on experience with NetSuite. Create a sandbox environment and experiment with different features and functionalities. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Third, Join the NetSuite community. Connect with other users, experts, and developers. Ask questions, share your experiences, and learn from others. The NetSuite community is a valuable resource for support and guidance. Fourth, consider getting certified. NetSuite certifications can validate your skills and knowledge, and they can also enhance your career prospects. They demonstrate your commitment to the platform and your expertise in its various modules. Now, let's talk about the return on investment. Is the time and effort you invest in learning NetSuite worth the potential rewards? The answer is a resounding yes, especially if you're serious about a career in business management, technology, or consulting. The demand for NetSuite professionals is high, and the supply is relatively low. This means that skilled NetSuite professionals are highly valued and can command competitive salaries. The skills you gain are transferable and applicable to a wide range of industries and roles. And it's not just about the money. Learning NetSuite can open up doors to exciting and fulfilling careers. You could be working on challenging projects, collaborating with talented teams, and making a real impact on businesses around the world. But it's important to be realistic. Learning NetSuite is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a long-term commitment. You need to be passionate about learning and willing to adapt to the ever-evolving world of technology. So, to answer the initial question, is learning NetSuite worth it? The answer unequivocally is yes. But it's not just about the software. It's about the skills, the opportunities, and the personal growth that come with it. It's about investing in yourself and your future. It's about being ready for the challenges and opportunities of the modern business world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.